What's good, YouTube? Clocking back in with another vlog, and as you can see, I'm back in the truck. And when you see me in the truck putting in a lot of gas, that means I'm getting ready to go out of town. And today we're going to look at a 2016 Dodge Charger Police Pursuit, which is a 5.7 Hemi. This one is rear wheel drive, has 120,000 miles. Says all it needs is the front struts. 3-hour drive. It's in Sterling, Oklahoma. I don't know, man. We'll see. I'm not gonna rush to buy anything because, as you can see, I didn't have too much luck with the last Interceptor, which was the tourist show. Not gonna complain too much, but a few things did go wrong with it. I'm gonna briefly check the vehicle, make sure everything's right. If it has a Hemi tick, not getting it. If I notice too much front end problems, not getting it. Gas mileage not right, not getting it. Really gonna check the idle hours and a whole lot of stuff. So y'all stay tuned. About to get ready and pick up Eli. What's good? Clocking back in, and now we are we're all the way in fucking Sterling. Terrible ride here. Straight back roads. Definitely the roads you don't want to be on at night, but it's all right. We're definitely getting out of here. This Charger better be what it's meant out to be. Whole different vlog. 2 Interceptors. Gonna be 3 Interceptors at the house now, maybe, potentially. This car really has to be good because, oh my gosh, y'all just don't know. I'm not wasting no more money. Got the check engine reader right here. All that, I'm telling you. I'm really on deck with everything. Vlog just dropped. What's today? I believe today's the 13th, January 13th. Vlog dropped at 7, so if you didn't watch the last vlog, go ahead and go back because no telling when I'll drop this. Try to get more consistent this year, but y'all just stay tuned. We're about, I say, 3 minutes away from the Charger. Let's see what it's about.
See what the vlog has to say.
Yeah. Rev it up, Eli. Give it a quick few revs. A little bit better, huh? Let me see.
Buttons work.
You're good. What's in the trunk? Got the spare?
Spare battery.
Red light, like the Taurus. That's funny. I got 2 other interceptors at the house.
We got a total of 3 of them bitches.
Does have good power.
You just put coolant in and spit a little bit. I don't know. I think that might be, I don't know. I was going to say.
Let's see if it does.
definitely get a power it's supposed to.
No, it definitely does. Do you know why he added coolant, or you just like?
It was a little low on it.
Yeah, I think it has a coolant thing. Have y'all been getting a lot of offers for this listing or what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Most people try to pay $2,000 for it, but
People just can't make it out here, but
they just
lowball.
yeah.
Yeah.
1,500, 2,000. That's what most people offer.
It's because the police interceptor market's not a lot right now. A lot of them going out. A lot of those like police auctions. No cylinder head, I don't know what was wrong with it, but it's definitely staying here. It did have power, it did get up, but hey. Tour show, got a 6.2 being built, a whole lot of power already, so power really don't excite me. If I would have been like 17, maybe I would have been like, yes, please get it. Same thing, I was supposed to get a Jag a while back, never ended up getting it simply because water pump leak. Said they just replaced the water pump. I mean, the body, it was alright. You can always find charger parts, SRT parts. But as far as the engine, I mean, had the power, but nah, it wasn't appealing. The motor bay wasn't appealing. They could at least wipe it off, sprayed it off. The car's dirty. Like, you don't really present a car like that. I know I saw my Chrysler like dirty on the outside, but the engine bay and the inside was definitely clean. I don't play all that, so. Hey, now it's off to OKC. Hey, y'all know me. I stay on the run. Y'all stay tuned. What's good, man? Clocking back in, and as you can see, I'm back in the Vic with these so-called high winds. Texas weather is crazy right now. It's cold, it's hot, hot, cold, cold. That's why a lot of people are getting sick, because the weather is nuts. But I was just coming out to end out the vlog, tell y'all a little more about what I thought about the Charger. Charger was cool, fast, had a lot of power, kind of felt like a Scat. I don't know if y'all driven any Scats, but Scats are pretty quick. Felt like a Scat. I'm not sure where it was leaking, but it was definitely leaking some coolant. Seen it wet on the top of the head from the valve cover, not sure what that really was. What threw me off completely was it being wet on the head. Like, as soon as I opened the hood, I seen it, and I seen like a stain on the head, so I was like, nah. Definitely not gonna do that. Yesterday when I got back, I didn't do much. After we left seeing the Charger, went to go see Dez in OKC, stayed the night, came back, but now time to start the cycle back over, get back on Marketplace, run it back up, save more money, and get ready to LS swap the dome. So shout out to all the new subs. Like I said, put God first, and we're going up.